Hey guys, Frank from the Frankie Duty channel. So thanks for tuning in. You may have seen this bow before in one of my previous videos. I actually did a review on it a few years ago. It's a great bow. This video is going to be short and fast. It's going to be going over how to tighten up the poundage on a compound bow. So you can either raise or lower the poundage on compound bows. Depending on the bow, there's a different range for how high or low the poundage can go. This bow is a 2009 Hoyt Alpha Max 35, and depending on the cams that you use for at the end of each limb, you have like ranges. This exact setup, I can only go from 50 to 60 pounds, so it's good to know that before the fact. But regardless, there's actually like an Allen key. You guys can see that right here on the kind of like the front of every limb. So there's one on the top limb, one on the bottom limb. So one here, one here. All you'll do to tighten up the poundage is just get an Allen wrench, one of these they make for archery, and you'll just tighten it up a turn on the top one and a turn on the bottom one. And then you'll keep going until you get your desired poundage. Eventually you'll max it out again, whether that's 60 or 70 or 80 pounds depending on the bow setup. But you just do the opposite in order to decrease the poundage. The thing that's important is the fact that whatever however much you tighten it up on one limb, you tighten it up on the other, because with a bow, when you draw, you want the poundage you want the weight of the draw to be distributed evenly across both limbs. If you don't tighten them up equally, then you could have a little bit more weight coming off of one limb and you could crack a limb. And you don't want to do that. So anyway, pretty much it. It's really easy and straightforward. Some people who are new to archery might not know that, and it's just it's a good thing to be aware of. They make scales that you can more or less tie off to on your string and then pull it so that you can actually get an accurate reading on a gauge of what the poundage is. I don't own one of those because they're kind of expensive, but they make them. It's good to be aware of that. So anyhow, that's it. It's pretty straightforward, and it's easy to do. Anyhow, hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching.